Behrens is over 100 years old and it specializes in metalware. We make trash cans, buckets, pails, and tubs. Everything we make here in Winona. We are able to do everything that we do nationwide. We've always focused on quality. You can't really find any other products that are similar made by any other company other than by Behrens. When we were applying our labels to our buckets, they were all being hand applied by a person, which is very hard to replicate a quality application.
The biggest product challenge is probably the curvature of the pail. It's not a flat surface. So we wanted to improve the efficiency of how that label was applied and to accurately apply it every single time, repetition.
One of the main things we wanted to do was update our technology. We figured we could get a hold of Viking and Acroply and bring those things together and come out with a better product.
In the initial conversations, we did get pretty deep into the application and its requirements. It wasn't just off-the-shelf equipment that was going to get this done. So it was going to require some engineering and some thought into how this was going to happen. We looked at Acroply as being the perfect candidate.
It was seen by the customer as being an unsolvable problem because it was a very large label, it was a tapered bucket, so there was a lot of complexity, and we took a look at it and it was just a simple solution for us.
We knew we had to do several products, at least on one of our lines, so we needed the adjustability to adjust to each different size. They vary between 17 quarts to as small as 10 quarts. Moving your applicator in and out and having all that adjustment that you need was really crucial for us. The Acroply applicator was able to give us that flexibility with adjustment. Once the machine is set up by myself or Matt, the operator actually doesn't have to touch it at all. You just set it, forget it, and you're running.
So whatever size we're running, we select that recipe off of the label applicator and they run that for the day and it just keeps running. The only thing they have to do is change out the rolls of labels.
Acroply took the ball and ran. They had a theory, and here's how it's going to work. And I let them do that, and I took care of a lot of the other stuff. So it was really an excellent team effort. Sharing of information, sharing of concerns, and sharing of solutions to make it a success.
When I was able to see the whole system work fully, you just get to be proud almost of, yeah, this whole project was really, really successful. It's made the numbers on that line go up significantly.
From a marketing standpoint, to get that label consistent and in the exact spot every single time, people can look at it on the shelves and know exactly what a Behrens product looks like. I see the partnership between Viking and Behrens and Acroply growing a lot. We have a great relationship already, and continuing to grow that relationship is, I think, a really big deal.
We really like forming tight relationships with our customers, and it was exciting for me that we were able to address all of their labeling needs. They now have trust in us, and we've been able to provide them with a solution that they value.
If other people were considering working with Acroply, I would say don't wait. You never know until you kind of get your feet wet and you get in the middle of it, and then you come out happy on the other side.